Energy efficient, future-proof, and a high level of comfort.
For Technology 2020, I'm touring the country with the technology demo bus looking for interesting innovations. Our final stop for today is Delft, where we will visit 3 projects that have to do with aerodynamics. Meet Roelof. We are here in the Vliegtuighal in Delft to visit the Flying V project. Maybe you can give us a little bit of background about the project.
Yes, so the Flying V project is all about sustainable aviation, climate neutral aviation in the end. And we're looking for an airplane that is much more energy efficient than the conventional tube and wing airplane that we are all so familiar with. We're working on this new configuration where we are integrating the cabin inside the wing. So basically the people are sitting in a pressurized wing when they fly across the ocean. Now, how to integrate this pressurized structure into that wing, that is one of the breakthrough technologies of this Flying V.
I think you recently had the first flight test with this model. I can imagine that it must be a very exciting moment to see all your work and calculations take air, so to say.
Yes, well, it was also a little frightening, to be honest. We have a team here of 3 people that work on this airplane over a period of about 1.5 years, and then it needs to culminate into this very first flight, and everything needs to go well the very first time, otherwise you crash the airplane. Luckily that went all very, very well. I was very anxious about the takeoff. Would it actually take off on its own landing gear? Would it not over-rotate and go into a stall? But that luckily didn't happen. The airplane flew, it proved to be stable in all directions. We did see that the center of gravity position that we placed was a little bit too far aft, so if we do it again, I'd probably would advise to place it a little bit more forward, but these are the kinds of things that you learn from these test flights.
And so you're preparing now for future air tests, I think. What are the next steps that you think you need to take in order to mature this design?
What we want to do is to do a whole set of maneuvers, pre-programmed maneuvers. So we put pre-programmed control surface deflections in, and then we record what the response of the airplane is. And from that we can make even better models of this airplane for the flight dynamics and the aerodynamics of the airplane.
Okay, thanks for so far. If I ask you to summarize the whole project in 3 words, what would you say?
Energy efficient, future-proof, and a high level of comfort.
Okay, thank you very much.